Lockley Guard Defender 238LM, Dorman Edition Installation Guide. Installation generally takes less than 30 minutes. If you have any questions, please visit lockleypro.com/support or call hotline 855-562-5599 for help. To complete the installation, you will need Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, tape measure or ruler, optional drill bits and door hole saw kit and pliers. Preparation. Lockley Guard Defender 238LM, Dorman Edition is compatible with the mortise lock sets with backset 1 1/8 inch, 1 1/2 inch and 1 inch. Make sure your door is prepared for installation. If you need to drill new holes, please use the supplied template for drilling holes. Step 1. Determine door opening direction. There are 4 common door opening direction. Check that the latch throw is correctly positioned. For left-in swing or right-in swing doors. For left-out swing or right-out swing doors. This lock is designed for 40 to 70 mm wooden or aluminum door or aluminum thermal barrier door. If your door is outside the range of the list above, please contact our customer hotline, 855-562-5599. Step 2. Changing door handle orientation. The lock ship defaults for right-in swing door and left-out swing doors. If you are installing for left-in swing or right-out swing door, carefully follow the preceding steps. Use an Allen wrench M to loosen screws on both sides of the handle. Twist clockwise to loosen. Remove the handle and rotate it 180 degrees before fixing it back to the exterior assembly. Use an Allen wrench M to tighten screws on both sides of the handle. Twist counterclockwise to tighten. Step 3. Installing the lock set. Confirm your door is prepared for installation. If needed to drill holes, use the provided hole drilling template. If there is an existing lock set, that make sure the latch throw is correctly oriented to the door opening direction. If a lock set has been previously installed, remove the faceplate. If a lock set has not been installed yet, install the lock set and secure with screws. The lock set adapter must be installed on the door exterior according to the door opening direction. Select F, if you have a left-in swing or out swing door. Select F1, if you have a right-in swing or right-out swing door. Loosen the side screw on the lock set. Ensure the hole for the spindle stays in this position as shown. Insert the adapter onto door hole. Tighten the screw on the side of the lock set and make sure it sits on the groove of the lock set adapter. If there is an existing interior door handle installed, reinstall the faceplate and secure with screws. If there is no interior door handle installed yet, install the interior handle by following the manufacturer's instructions. Then install the faceplate. Step 4. Install exterior and interior assemblies. Install the exterior assembly onto the door. Make sure cables and rods are routed correctly through the holes in the door. Ensure the spindle is installed following the correct orientation as shown. Install top and bottom mounting blocks, G, and secure with screws, H. Check that the door handle is freely moving and the latch throw retracts and automatically extends. Connect Bluetooth receiver, L. Rotate plugs to tighten cable connection. Adjust the protective cover to the cable connector to make sure that it is not exposed. Install Bluetooth receiver. Remove the adhesive tape at the back of Bluetooth receiver and install under mounting block. Mount the Bluetooth plate K on the groove of the top block to secure the Bluetooth. Slide and insert the screw cover, I, at bottom block. Step 5. Install batteries. Use a screwdriver to push the back screw cover up. Then loosen the screw. Slide and pull the battery cover outward to remove. Take out the battery compartment and detach from the terminal connector. Install 4 AA batteries. Attach the battery compartment back to the terminal connector. Insert the battery compartment to the exterior assembly. Close the battery cover and tighten the screws clockwise using a screwdriver. Slide and insert the screw cover. Step 6. Install touchscreen cover. If your door lock is located in a harsh, sun-exposed area, it is highly recommended to install the included touchscreen cover. Clean the surface of the lock's exterior assembly. Ensure it is dry and dust-free. Remove the paper layer off the adhesive tape. Align the touchscreen cover to the center of the lock. Ensure it fully covers the screen area. Securely fasten to the top of the lock's exterior assembly. Congratulations! You have completed the physical lock installation. To enable the live monitoring and remote control, you will need to set up the included Link Plus Wi-Fi hub and door sensor and pair it with the Lockley Guard Defender 238LM, Dorman Edition.